Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you all today. I have half a kg of lamb mince. You can see this is a lamb mince. I'm going to make a mince paratha, guys. I got some quarter, nearly less than quarter cup oil. I got some fresh dhania. I got 1 tablespoon mixed masala, half a teaspoon of fine salt, and a pinch of black pepper, and near a tablespoon ginger garlic. I got some curry leaf, thyme and mint, chilies that are chopped fine, and onions. So guys, now I'm going to braise my mince first. When I'm doing my mince paratha, I'll show you all guys. So this is what I'm using to braise my mince. Here goes my oil. Now I'll put all my onions and all to fry. And my chilies, my thyme, curry leaf all. And let my onions get fried. Here goes my salt and my black pepper. I'll stir it. Now goes my ginger garlic, and I will stir it. Now goes my masala. So guys, now I'll put my mince. This mince. So yeah guys, I'm not putting tomato, nothing, because I'm just frying the mince, because I'm going to make my dough and do the filling and make my mince paratha. So guys, you can see my mince is getting cooked nicely. To make mince paratha guys, you have to cook your mince first. So let my mince fry at least 10 minutes, then I will take it out. I will let it cool off, then I'll show you all guys. So guys, now I'll place my dhania also, I'll let it cook. Now I'll stir my dhania with the thing. I will let it fry with my mince. So guys, I'm making this mince paratha. Sharon going all over town looking for mince paratha. They say, no, it's finished. They can't get the mince paratha. He likes to buy and eat. So I'm making it for Shailen, guys. I told him no, I will make it at home for him. So guys, here in my mince, I'll put some cheese. So I grated 1 small piece cheese. So here goes in my mince to make my mince paratha. It's a Gouda cheese, guys. So now I'll mix it with my mince. To make my mince paratha. So I'll let this thing cool off nicely. I'll make my dough. So guys, I'm taking 3 cups of this flour. I'm serving it to make my paratha. It's 2 cups I have here. Now this is 3rd cup. So 3 cups here guys I got. So guys, here I'll use about 4 tablespoons of oil to make my dough and pinch of fine salt. So guys, here I'm using some hot water. You can adjust yourself how much of hot water you need, because small cup of 3 cup flour here. So guys, I showed you all, I made aloo paratha. You can watch it in my channel. I made dal roti, and I made all type of roti. So this is mince roti will be. So now I'm going to wash my hand, and I'll start mixing with my hand. So now guys, I washed my hand. I make my dough with my hand. You have to make your dough properly, like how you're making roti dough. So guys, when I'm finished with the dough, I'll show you all when I'm filling and doing my roti. So this is how you make your dough. So guys, you can see I'm done with my dough now. So now I'll keep aside. I'll cover my dough. Then I will start rolling now. I'll leave it for 10 minutes. So guys, you see I'm rolling my roti here. So I have to make 2 of these to do my filling and seal it. And then I'll put in the tawa. So this is the first one. I'm going to take it out this and leave and roll another one. I have to roll another one. So guys, like this, I will take my mince and my cheese what mixed together. I will press it all like this. So guys, this how you can see how I placed my mince. So I'll take another roti and I will place it on top of that. You see? And then I'll try to seal it. So guys, see? That's how I'm going to make it. So I'll brush it with some oil. You can use butter if you want, but I'm using oil. So guys, I turned it. So I'll brush it this side also, the oil. So guys, this is my first lot. Now I'm going to put my second lot now. So guys, this is my second one. So now I'll put oil this side, guys. So this is the second one. It's trying to rise, guys. You can see inside the filling. Now I'll turn one more time. You have to be very, very careful when you turn it, because everything gonna get opened. So now I'll brush it more. So I'll take it out from the stove now. So guys, when I'm done with all, I'll show y'all. So guys, see my mince paratha. It's very, very easy how I braise my mince. This is all the filling, guys. Very, very tasty. So we're going to have it with a chicken curry, or you can have it with sandwich like with tea. It's just like a pizza, guys, but inside filling. Very, very tasty, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy it, share it.